morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm doing something that I never thought I was gonna do. I'm a little sad about it, but also I think it would be good of certain reasons. I've realized my nails just look absolutely atrocious. You guys have seen pictures on my Instagram. This one keeps popping off. These actually, I have specifically my pointer fingers and my middle fingers and my ring fingers. They all just keep popping off, and I think I've had a good run, and I think it's time for a new set. But I am not going to be doing the Kiss dip stuff, which I have it all in my bag here. I'm not going to be doing that. Going back to my trusty old friends press-ons, which you guys know that I have been a huge fan of press-ons before I started getting my nails done again. They are just really easy, convenient, and it's something that a lot of us in quarantine have been using a lot lately. I decided, since my nails are just so jacked up, they are so bad, they just keep popping off and they keep like lifting, so I'm like, you know what, it's time to remove them, and we're gonna actually put on oldie but a goodie set of press-on nails. If you guys remember this purple set that actually I think I have like a brand new box of it. This set of nails that I got a long time ago, but I actually have a lot of leftovers from my last pack of this design and color and everything. I'm not a big fan of matte nails, fun fact. So I'm going to try out something today on one of my nails, one of the fake ones with my little crappy nail drill. Get some clear coat to stick to it. Fun fact, if you paint a if you paint a matte press-on nail, the clear coat's just gonna peel off if you don't like buff it or anything first. So try, and I'm gonna use one of the biggest ones that I have because size 0, because I don't need a 0. So if not, then it's whatever. Like, I'm still gonna put the nails on anyway, but I'm a little sad, but these also look really bad. Like, they looked really bomb like a couple weeks ago when it was like hollow with glitter, and I found like my old craft glitter, and I ended up actually buying a whole crap ton of glitter. Still want to use that, but probably not mixed with acrylic or anything. Discovered that if I want to do other colors, that I have to take the glitter completely off, and if it's mixed with something, I have a crappy nail drill right now, it's just not gonna work. Sam, you could easily just buy a nail drill. Yeah, I know, but knowing me, like, experimental nail buffed here, it doesn't even really look like it's that buffed. I'm gonna take Sally Hansen top coat. This is the best on the planet. I don't care. We will see. And I'm only going to paint like half of it just to see if it will stick, because if it ends up peeling, then whatever. But I just wanted to do this and see if it would actually work, because I don't like matte nails. Like, that's just not like a matte top coat. Like, it looks pretty, it looks beautiful, don't get me wrong, but for me, like, the texture of it, like, it grosses me out. So one of the ways that I have seen online is to take some flossers. Thankfully I have them. A lot of these nails have been lifting anyway, if you guys can see right there, and clearly you guys can see this one's lifting. So we're just gonna try to go underneath, get it off. This actually does, like, it doesn't hurt. And I definitely need to trim down my natural nails too. There, look at, oh, actually that really didn't hurt at all. Maybe because I do crappy dip nails. I don't know. Oh, this one should come off with barely any problem. Ow, that one actually hurts a lot. That one actually hurts a lot. Wow. We've got a few off so far. Personally, have never really realized until I started getting my nails done how much I love long nails and how much it's just part of me. I don't think I'll ever have short nails unless like I absolutely have to. Wow, that one actually worked perfectly. That was fun. I'll give you guys like a nail story. So when I was 12, I think, yeah, I was like 12 years old. I remember, oh yeah, I was in the summer. I remember in the summer I got like these press-on nails, and I wanted them on my nails constantly. So I didn't have any nail glue, so your girl got super glue out of my dad's toolbox, and I just kept super gluing them and like taking them off and super gluing them, because essentially I feel like nail glue is super glue, let's be real. I saw nothing wrong with it, and then one day my mom was like, why are you using super glue? And I was like, oh, for my nails. And she's like, you shouldn't be doing that, you're damaging your nails. And of course, you know, I was like 12, like whatever, I was living my life, I didn't really care. All right, so we're having a problem. Some of them are like not budging. Bottom line, don't use super glue. I feel like this method is very effective, but probably don't do this. Imagine if I reapplied my old nails, which I'm cutting them down now because they're so bad. I think there's a positive to, what, honey? To me doing my nails like that for the last couple months. Oh, honey, I know. Why? Mommy's doing her nails. Like, oh, you want to pay attention to me? Fine, I'll go see what daddy's doing. Underneath, my nail is actually like a lot stronger than I thought it was gonna be. Like, it's because, you know, at a nail salon they just file your nail, and like once it grows, like it gets thinner and thinner and thinner and thinner because they have to file to like put the fill in and everything like that. Of course, again, I'm not a nail expert, I have no idea. That's just my assumption. I've done my nails before in the past. I could do a decent job. I can't believe I decided to take them off, but they're just looking real rough. We're gonna fix this today. I think your girl's gonna order some more press-ons. Like, I still want to do my nails like with dip powder and acrylic and everything. Like, I do want to learn how to do my own nails that way. I think for now it's just best because they just look so bad. Trimmed, this is what my nails look like now. I hate it so much. All right, so now I'm gonna file them and fix, like, just like file off like the excess of nastiness and come back and we will put the press-ons on. Oh my God. And we're back. So I just used my little crappy filer to just file like a lot of like the glue reds. Oh, I missed a spot. Hold on. That's what we're looking like now. And I just have to say, like, I just hate the way my hands look without nails. And like, oh my God. I feel like I've talked about before, I feel like I'm very vain. And I feel like, you know, like I'm very vain with my appearance. Like, I want to look good. I want to look amazing at all times. Like, I want to look like my best self, like for the most part when I go out and like just for myself, which by the way, there's nothing wrong with short nails. I just don't think they're for me unless I really have to do it. So update on our fake nail that we filed and puts a little bit of top coat on. I put the top coat on, as you guys can see, on half of it, and it's actually sticking. It's not coming off. It's not peeling off. I would have obviously a lot of, and I'm actually like trying and peel it off on the sides, but it's actually staying on. So I think our plan of turning these matte nails into glossy nails is gonna work out. So I'm really excited. So now I'm gonna pick out my nails, and basically behind each nail there's a number, and you will, if you choose to order like from real nail professionals online press-ons during this time, you need to know your nail sizes, otherwise they're not gonna be able to do nails for you. So like in all the like the little Kiss nails have like little numbers behind them too. I used to know mine by heart, now I don't anymore. And it's supposed, the nail is supposed to like fit your entire nail bed. It's not supposed to like be overlap it or be a little bit under. It's supposed to just like be perfect. Been a minute. It's been probably like about an hour. Normally it usually doesn't take me that long to put on nails, but these are what my nails look like. As you guys can see, they're so pretty. I had to do like a few adjustments because for some reason, even though I opened up the new pack and then I had the old pack of nails, like I could only find like one kind of nail for my nails, like one number, so I had to use a different number and trim it up. I'm very happy with how they came out. The Special FX nails, you probably can find them on Target.com or anywhere else. Actually, I think Ulta has these actually too. And I did buff out the matte nails so they look shiny. The top coat along all of my nails, which I'm going to regret because since it's on the sparkly and the like the iridescent nail, it's gonna peel off because I didn't buff it first, but whatever, we'll just take it in stride and take it as it comes basically. At first, I will say though, if you do choose to use like the brush on gel, which I don't recommend you do that, just use the glue that comes in the kit because your girl totally like, I should have just used this glue to begin with. This is the Kiss Pink Gel Nail Glue. It comes with all the nail press-on glue on nails if you want them to last longer than just like a day or two. I feel like they both work well, but this came with like my dip kit, so like I just was like, oh, I'll use that because like it worked really well and it just took a lot longer to dry, whereas this glue obviously instantly dries, so you can have them on and don't have to like fuss with them so much. But so half my nails have the brush glue and half of them have the brush gel, so we'll see how that works out. We are at the end of my coffee, so with that all being said, hope you guys enjoyed this. I was gonna put this in a vlog, but I think I'm just gonna make this a separate video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. There is no wrong, like there is no rhyme or wrong or reason if you choose to do your own acrylic nails, dip powder nails, or use press-ons. I just decided to do press-ons because basically I feel like I kind of messed them up. Anyways, Weenie, if you're watching this, my sister Jess, hi, I would like you to do my nails once these are done. So maybe next month I'll have her do my nails for our wedding anniversary. That'll be exciting, but yeah. But I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications so you know when I post a new video. And I'm gonna go right now and actually buy a whole bunch of Kiss nails. So press on nails. So I see the hype. I love you guys.